There are things that matters right now in 2026 that if you don't get to understand, at the end of the day, you will still be able to live your YouTube channel the same way you left it in 2025. We are just in a new year, and this is an opportunity for you to let the algorithm trust you. Now, you need to understand that YouTube is not just all about uploading videos, and you need to also understand that the only thing that can literally help the algorithm out there to help you pull out your videos is when the algorithm trusts you. So that is where my statement is solely relied on. And I'm going to be sharing with you things I've been able to do that has literally skyrocketed my channels to different level, and things you should also do that will literally help you. I have them jotted here down in my notepad. If you listen from beginning to the end, trust me, you are definitely not going to regret it. But anyways, it is Monday, and you guys know what we do on Monday morning. Coming here to motivate each other, telling each other, holding ourselves hand by hand, and letting us know how we are going to do what? To navigate YouTube. With that being said, welcome back to the channel. My name is Vibe Sonia. I bring all the vibes on your table, and I help you grow a successful YouTube channel, not only YouTube channel, other of your social media platform. With that being said, let's dive into my number one. And the first one I have here is to pick a narrow identity. This matters more than ever. In 2026, YouTube reward channel can be clearly categorized. It is no longer I make general videos, it is I help beginners to learn. I've been able to say this right from 2025 that a lot of people have been able to navigate YouTube because they are teaching people to do something. They are helping people to learn something. So if you check the different channels that has literally been helping, holding hand in hand, be it through your lifestyle, through your food, through your vlog, in different aspects, you are able to teach one or two person. Trust me, there is no way you are literally not going to navigate YouTube. Quit that attitude of I just want to bring anything I want to bring here. Work with what is working for others. Work with what people have been doing and you've literally been seeing results. Why relying on videos that at the end of the day, you have been doing it for the past 3-4 years, you've literally not been seeing results? It is high time you dumped all of them and start working with things that can literally work. And instead, you can do this: choose your audience, solve a recurring problem, and repeat one con format. It's as simple as ABCD. Look at your videos and see the ones that is really doing well for you. See the ones that you can actually recreate. See the ones that you can push forward. And the ones that literally do not do well, you can just push them backward and focus on what can bring the coins down to your table. Now, examples of such kind of videos are daily 60-second history stories, beginners AI tools for small business, explaining movie scenes by scene. You can also do well by doing tutorials. It's not difficult. I'm doing it right, so you can also do it. Now, the second one I'm going to be talking about is to master the first 5 seconds, which is your audience retention and everything. YouTube now weigh early retention more than quick click bait. You openly must skip greetings, present tension or pay off immediately, promise a value. A lot of people, one thing I have realized is we spend so much time in things that are not relevant in the first 5 seconds of our videos. And I've been able to also say this in 2026 that that is one of the things that has literally helped me. Even for the video that I did that went viral, that I made some good amount of money. If you check, one of the things that kept people watching that video is the fact that that video actually have a hook. So your 5 minutes video, your first 5 seconds video is very important. You're doing a vlog, you can decide to pull out 5 seconds video that can attract people to watch instead of always rolling around clickbait east, west, north, and south. Remember, when you do clickbait so much on your channel, people are definitely going to click, but when they realize that most of the things they are clicking is not what you're giving them, trust me, they will click out of your video. So this mistake is why most YouTube channels die, especially after 90 days. And I hope you are able to learn. Now let's talk about the third one that I have here, which is short form is mandatory. A lot of people have literally come on board to be like, oh, I don't do short videos. Why do I need to create short videos? Short videos are not important. I keep saying it. If it is not important, YouTube will not include it here. I still create short videos till this point of my channel. And one thing you need to know is the more you keep creating, the more you keep dragging people. Now, there is this lady that do this lifestyle. I don't know if you guys know Francisca Eze. I have been following her from Facebook. Then I saw her on YouTube as well. This lady literally grows her audience with short videos. Like she do vlogs of her short videos and upload it. Now, since she has gotten enough audience, she is now also recreating long form videos on her channel. So I don't know where people buy these ideas of short videos don't work. The only thing I will always tell you is if you're starting your short videos with tutorial, make sure that your long videos are going to be relatable content. So you don't start short videos with another different chapter, another different content, and at the end of the day, in your long form videos, you're bringing another different thing. A lot of people will not watch. Why? Why can't I just wake up in the morning and do a day in my life and upload on my short end? On this particular channel? I can't do that because this channel is a tutorial channel. So if I should bring in anything short form videos, it should be relating to this said tutorials that I'm doing. So if people eventually see your content from the short end and they come to your channel, they are literally going to look out for your long form videos and they will watch, they will stay. So if you are among this crew of, oh, I don't do short videos is not my thing, and you are still struggling for subscribers, you're still struggling for you to get attention, you're still struggling for the algorithm to pick you, I think it is high time you start trying something new this 2026. Short in 2026, still powerful for discovery, less powerful alone for monetization. Best strategies, short discovery. It's as simple as that. And you can just arrange your workflow that can literally just work for you. Then the fourth thing I'm going to be talking about, although I know that a lot of people are going to run away from this, is consistency. It works. It works. I can tell you with my full chest that the moment you stop being consistent on YouTube, the moment your channel start dying slowly. So that is why when you see people here pulling out content east, west, north, and south, not because they are so comfortable in doing it, but because they have seen that this is the format that work. YouTube favors reliable publishing, not daily posting. When you are consistent, I keep saying it, it's not just you coming here to keep uploading every single day, every single. What is your consistent schedule? What can really work for you? These are things you should put into consideration this 2026. Your consistency is one of the things that will make the algorithm even recognize that there is someone here on YouTube. So check the life of people that are consistent on YouTube and check the life of people that the moment they disappear, they come back in the next 3 to 4 months. You're going to get the difference, right? So yeah. So do what is good for you. Like do the consistency that flows with you that you know you can actually work with. Now let's talk about thumbnails and titles, which are the system. Do you get? A lot of people do not realize that this thing is the key thing that will make people click. So in as much as you're putting your consistency, you need thumbnails, you need titles to be able to work with it. That's just the honest truth. In 2026, thumbnail must work at small size. The face, the high contrast, the non too much word, not too bulky, not too small. But the moment you are hitting it, as they are seeing it, they are realizing that this is what I want to watch. So if you want your 2026 to work out for you when it comes to content creating, you need to put all of this into shape. When it comes to your title needs to create curiosity, not similarities. You need to avoid keyword stuffings. And I'm going to be talking about that on a different topics. How you can route your keywords that can work for you, how you can also use good tools to understand what keywords is all about. I'll do that in a different topics. Okay? Now, The last one I'm going to be talking about is become a section extender. YouTube rewards creator who keeps people on their platform. Reference your other videos, use end screen intentionally, create mini series. Three things. So you keep uploading videos, end screens, cards, you don't use them. You just trash them one side. And you think at the end of the day, how would they be able to recommend your old videos? The ones that are supposed to be recommended to. So you need to wake up and understand that this is where YouTube is literally going to right now. Others include authority-based varieties, analytics that actually matters, monetization, early monetization, and so on and so forth. I'm going to be talking about and breaking down a lot of things this 2026. And me and you must make our YouTube channel work this 2026. So it is Monday. If you're still sitting down, if you have not started uploading, if you have not started filming, I wonder what you are waiting for. Anyways, thank you so much for staying stick and hook me to the end of this video. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And for those of you that would love to talk to me, you love me to go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. All you need to do is to check the mail that is displaying on your screen, faithonja3195@gmail.com, and thank me later. Send us a mail and we'll get right into it. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with that being said, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah. And let me know what your honest thoughts and your honest opinion is, and how you are ready to take 2026. Do not snip